types of contract. So types of contract can be based on formation, based on enforceability, and based on performance. So first one, based on formation. Under that first one, express contract. When the offer or acceptance of any promise is made in words, that can be written or oral. Words are expressed in written format or in oral format. That contract is said to be express contract. Next one is implied contract. When the proposal or acceptance of any promise is made otherwise than in words, that promise is said to be implied. So here, when the contract is entered without using any words, written or oral, otherwise than words, that contract is implied contract. Example for the same, you are catching train, that will be implied contract. You are going to the restaurant and taking cup of tea, that will be implied contract. In both cases, you have to pay, you are going to pay. You are not entering a contract with the help of words. That is why it is implied contract. And third one is quasi contract. So quasi contract is implied contract only, but such contracts are implied by law. Actually, there is no contract, but it is actually in case of quasi contract, there is no contract, but it is implied by a law. Example over here, A have ordered something from Amazon. Okay. Now the same is delivered to B. Now A and B are have not entered into a contract, but now there is contractual relation between A and B since the delivery is made at B's house. Now here B's obligation is to return the same to A. Now A and B don't want to enter into a contract, but the situation have made them to enter into a contract. So such contracts are quasi contract, which is implied by law. After that, coming to based on enforceability. Under that first one, void contract. What is void contract? We have seen void agreement, void contract. How can it be void contract, right? Void agreement. What is void agreement? An agreement which is not enforceable by law. Then how it can become a contract, right? So void contract is little different from that. When contract entered at that time, it was valid, hence it became contract. Otherwise हम लोग contract word use नहीं कर सकते थे, right? When contract was entered at that time, it was valid, but due to some circumstances, due to some impossibility, it became void. जब भी contract enter किया था, it was valid, but because of some circumstances, it became unenforced. What is voidable contract? When the contract entered and the consent of the parties is not free. In that case, that contract becomes voidable contract. Now next one is unenforceable contract. An unenforceable contract is one which cannot be enforced in court of law due to some technical defect. Due to some technical defects, if the contract is not enforceable by law, enforceable in court, that contract is unenforceable contract. After that, based on performance. So based on performance, there are two kinds of contract: executed contract and executory contract. Executed means what? Executed means in past, that is done. Okay, so executed contract is one in which both the parties have performed their respective obligations. Both the party have performed the contract. So that is executed contract, completed contract, contract done in past. Now second one is executory contract. What is executory? Executory means which remains to be carried into effect. Executory means which is not completed. So when one of the party or both of the parties have not performed the contract or are going to perform in future, that is executory contract. Performance of the contract is remaining at the part of either party or both parties. That contract is executory contract.